You know those cinematic AI movies you've been seeing all over YouTube lately? The ones with millions of views, futuristic scenes, emotional storytelling, and channels blowing up from just a few uploads? Now, before we go deep into this, I want you to do something first. I've attached a short clip right here in this video. Watch it carefully, because that is exactly the kind of AI movie we are going to learn how to create today. Go ahead, watch it now, and when you're done, come right back. I'll be here waiting.
If you're going south, you won't survive alone. Kiara, best scout I've ever had. She knows the Black Mountains better than anyone still alive. And Naira, if anyone can wake the old Lord systems, it's her. The Black Mountains, the dead forests, the forgotten valley. Most people don't even survive one. But if this world still has a future, it starts with you.
Alright, welcome back. Let me show you something interesting. There are channels right now that started just a few days ago, no big audience, no fame, and suddenly, one AI cinematic video pulls hundreds of thousands of views. Some even hit close to 1 million views in under 2 weeks. And the crazy part, most of them only uploaded one serious long-form AI movie, while the rest were just short experiments. So the question is simple: how are they doing it? And more importantly, how can you do it too? That's exactly what I'm going to break down for you step by step. But before we continue, if you're finding this helpful already, take a second and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be dropping more tutorials like this that can literally help you start your own AI movie channel from scratch. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Start with your script. Everything begins with your story. You go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a cinematic AI movie script, something like sci-fi, action, or emotional drama, whatever direction you want your film to take. For example, you can simply say, "Give me a short sci-fi cinematic movie scene." Once it gives you the script, don't rush it. Read it properly. Understand the story. Picture what is happening in your head like a real film director. Let's say the script says something like, "A silent, ruined city. Broken skyscrapers under an orange sky. A drone moving through the air carrying a glowing object." That right there is your first scene. Step 2. Turn each scene into image prompts. Now, this is where most people get confused, but it's actually simple. Take that scene and go back to ChatGPT. Instead of asking for an image, you specifically ask, "Give me a detailed image prompt for this scene." Important point here, don't let it generate the image yet. You only want the prompt. Once it gives you the prompt, copy it. This prompt is what you will use to generate your visuals. Step 3. Generate your images. Now you take that prompt into your image generator or your creative tool, whatever you are using for visuals. Generate the scene exactly as described. Do this for every scene in your script. So if your story has 5 scenes, you should end up with 5 different cinematic images. This is your visual foundation. Without this step, your movie won't feel real. Step 4. Turn images into video. Now this is where the magic really starts. You take those generated images and bring them into Flow, because this is where we are going to animate everything into actual video clips. Inside Flow, you are going to be using the VO3 models. Now listen carefully. You have 2 main options. If you choose VO3 1 Lite, you'll be able to generate up to 5 video clips. That means more scenes, more flexibility, and more chances to build your full movie without running out quickly. But if you choose VO3 from 1 Fast, it gives you stronger speed and quality, but you'll only be able to generate about 2 video clips. So if you're just starting out or you want more scenes to work with, I honestly recommend you stick with VO3 1 Lite because it gives you more room to experiment and complete your storytelling. Now what you do is simple. You take each image you generated, upload it into Flow, apply the VO3 model, and generate motion for each scene. One by one, you turn every image into a moving cinematic clip until your full story starts coming alive. And remember, keep your prompts consistent. Don't rush it. Each scene should feel like part of the same movie universe. Quick pro tip, listen carefully. If your story has characters speaking or performing actions, don't try to mix everything at once. First, Generate your environment, the location, the world, the scene. Then separately, create your character on a clean, simple background. After that, you place the character into the environment during editing. This gives you more control and makes your film look more professional. And if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe right now. Because what we're building here is not just editing. We're building full, cinematic, AI storytelling skills that can turn into a real content business. Step 5. Final editing in CapCut. Once your clips are generated, bring everything into CapCut. This is where you assemble your full movie. You arrange your scenes, add transitions, sound effects, background music, and timing. This is what turns separate clips into a real cinematic experience. Take your time here. Editing is what makes your video feel professional. Final word. And that's basically the full process. From script, to image prompts, to visuals, to animation, and finally editing your full AI movie. If you follow this exact process step by step, you're not just making videos anymore, you're creating cinematic stories that can actually go viral. Now, if you want, in the next video, I can show you how to create strong AI characters that stay consistent across every scene. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.